I am getting ready to travel and I need to put together my travel art kit, and I thought you might be interested in that too. And so let's do that today. I think that's going to feel great. Nice distraction from the world. And so let's take a look at what I have in my travel bag now, and then we can like put new stuff in or take stuff out. This is it, by the way. This is what I use. It's a I don't know, what do you call these? Fanny pack? I don't know. Bum bag? I don't know. This is what I use for my travel bag for art. I like the size, and then when I'm doing outdoor sketching, I like it because it's like a giant pocket, and I can put it on and just go in my pocket. I don't have to have anything on the ground. Anyway, but so let's see what's in here and let's pack it. I'm going to be gone for about 2 weeks, so let's see what we can get in here. My desk has, as always, full of stuff, but we're not going to worry about that. Just going to put some stuff to the side, and we can see what's in the bag. All right. I'm going to take everything out, and then we can put back. I think that's the way to handle it. This is a pencil pouch that my daughter sewed for me. She has her little tag in there. So for pens and pencils, but we'll see what we put in it. It looks like I have a selection of pencils. Payne's Gray, a drawing pencil, more pens, probably more pens than I ever need. Another pencil, this is a indigo pencil, a water brush, more pens, trash. This is a watercolor palette that has a mix of watercolor. I think this might all be watercolor, or it might be some gouache. I don't know, but that's what this is. I don't love this palette, but it's what I have. Oh gosh, more. I think I'm going to have to wash the bag, guys. It's filthy. This is fun. This is a, can you see that? It's a rainbow leaded pencil, and I do like drawing with it. It's fun. Another drawing pencil. Oh, this is a mess. This is a calligraphy pen that needs to be washed. More pens. A clip. It's always good to have a clip. Oh, another pencil. What is this? This is a 10B Mitsubishi pencil. Another pencil, ivory black. I think this might be my favorite. A watercolor palette. So my local art supply store makes their own watercolor, and that's what this is a selection of their watercolor and a really beautiful brush. I love this. I should probably add some more to that. And this all comes in a retro tin, which is fun. In the front pocket, just some Post-it notes. Okay, we will definitely wash the bag because it is really dirty. But we can go ahead and pack it. I'll unpack it, wash it. Yeah, but that needs to be washed. So obviously I don't need all of these pens. That's kind of silly. I will take 2. This one looks like it's nearly dead, so I will take 2 pens. These are the this is the Uniball Micro 207. These are both micro. Let's see. Do I have, I'll take one that's micro and one that's not micro. I like both. And what's nice about these is that they, I can use wet media and they don't bleed. Always important. So I'm going to go ahead and put them in here. And then for the pencils, I also think I want to put them in this bag. I don't need all of these though. So let's think about this. Do I want indigo or Payne's gray? The indigo is kind of fun. The rainbow, the ivory black, and this drawing pencil. I think that's a good mix. I also want, though, some of these. These are my chubby, these are the Create a Color Mega Color. And so I know I want to bring some of these. I think I want to bring the pink. Oh, you can see, maybe I'll bring these. Ooh. I have this little tiny blue, this little tiny red. I think I might bring those, the pink, the yellow. Yeah, I think that's good. That's good. Do I want a green? Yeah, I think I'll bring this grass green color. But they have to also fit in here. Yeah. Oh, they do. They do. They all fit in this, which is great. So that'll be all pens and pencils. That's perfect. That's perfect. This I want to wash, but I think I do want to take it, but it's so dirty. And I do want this water pen. Do they both fit in here? The water pen is nice because then I don't have to have a cup of water. Yeah, they do fit. Wow, it all fits in there. So these we won't be taking. That's good to know. I will need a pencil sharpener, and then I thought I would bring my, let's open these up. These are Neocolor 1s, so these are not water soluble. And then these are Neocolor 2s, and they are water soluble. I actually thought maybe I would take both, thinking that might be kind of fun. And then this paint, but let's see if I have other paint. Let me check around. I think I do. All right. So I have this, which is all paint, and I think I'll bring this. And, oh, this is also paint, but I don't think I'll bring that. And then I have this set, so I need to decide. This is all watercolor. I'll wash this off. Do I want this watercolor set, or do I want this, which I think is Koi watercolor? Tricky. I actually think I want, so this is a very old set that I've had forever. This is Winsor Newton, and it has this little brush, which I kind of like. Really small. I think I will wash this, and I think I'll bring this. I think I like this better, but then I will augment it with this. So this, all of these paints, this is all paint. I'll also bring this. So quite a bit of paint, honestly. Crayons, paint, look at that. Clip. And then I found this. This is a drawing, Strathmore drawing pad. I had done 2022. It's kind of fun. So this is California Coast, Death Valley, Black Canyon, all in pencil, Yosemite, I think. Oh, Joshua Tree. But there's a whole bunch in here. So I thought maybe I would bring this because those are kind of fun. I have another option too, though. Let's see. Look at the options. All right. I could bring this, which is a ready cut watercolor, but I think I'll save these to do paintings at home. I have these two zigzag books, which might be kind of fun. One of the trips I'm taking is to Philadelphia, and it might be fun to do a book just for that trip, and maybe the very small one. So that might be kind of fun. And then I also had this, which was gifted to me by Lightwish, and it's a watercolor journal, and they tear off, which is kind of fun. Maybe instead of this, I would bring this. Yeah, I like that it closes. So maybe this and this, and not this. But I am going to need an eraser. That's a thing I'm sure I'm going to need. And maybe a Sharpie. So I'm going to put a Sharpie in here. And let me see if I can find it. You must know I have a zillion erasers. I just need to find them. I had once accidentally bought a ton of these. So I will bring one of these as well. Maybe it'll fit in here. The problem with packing this little bag too close, I just feel like then when I'm getting into it, it's just too messy. So I probably won't do that. But let's see if it all fits. Let's see if all this fits in here. I'm going to scooch it, and then we can try packing it. Oh yeah, gotta get washed. So I need to be able to have the book in it, mostly in the front so it's easy to get to. Put the two kinds of crayons in. Pencil sharpener, eraser will just go on the bottom, clip. Maybe those two things could go in the front pocket. The clip, eraser and the clip. And the Post-it notes. You never know when you're going to need Post-it notes. Oh, and maybe I'll take a little bit of, look, I have this little tiny washi tape. Let's take a little bit of this. I'll just grab this yellow, it's pretty. We'll take that with us too, because you never know when you want to tape something in. This paint, oh gosh, guys, it's really, I don't know. I might have filled it to the brink. Let's try, and then this was the last thing. Oh, it is tight. Oh, but it fits, not too heavy. One of my trips is on a plane. This can definitely go. I can wear this and I can go, on the plane with me. This was something, I use this, I will be taking this sketchbook with me, and I use this in here, but it might go in my purse, weirdly. Hopefully it won't crush, but let's see if it fits in here. Oh, so tight. It fits though. It all fits. The trouble is if it's too hard to get into to get the supplies, that's frustrating, especially like when you're on a plane, right? So let's see if we can make it a little less, It's this book, I think, that's causing the trouble, but it's all right. Ooh! Just over the hump. Yeah. If I had just a little bigger bag. But one of the reasons I don't have a bigger bag is I try to limit my supplies a bit. It might be that I don't need two things of paint. Let's look at them. So this classic Winsor Newton hat is the original colors. This is a 20-year-old set, by the way. It works totally fine. I know how to use it really well. It's not my favorite colors or anything. This one is just fun because it's sort of random. It's got like random colors in it. Now, one option, let's see, if I were to like move this stuff along. This is really cute, by the way. This is Look at that. So you got this paint, and then these colors. Which are all, you know, very earthy. And then this, which is all sort of reds and purples, which is fun. There is an option. I could probably snap these out. I'm not really sure how you do that. Now that I say that out loud, I don't know if that's possible. I know these can snap out. See, these snap out. So if I wanted other colors, just don't think I need them, to be honest. I don't think I need other colors. Sometimes having a really limited palette forces you to do things that you wouldn't normally do. So I think I'm going to skip that. I still really want both. Let's see if we can get them to fit. I think what I need to do here is I need to get more of my local art store paints, and maybe this weekend before I travel, I will try to do that. Oh, I see, it doesn't go this way. It only goes this way. Interesting. Let's see. Can I slide it on this way? Oh, yeah. Sort of. I just want to be able to, yeah, there we go. I may get a few more paints, and that way I could only take the one instead of both. But let's see if they fit. We'll try one more time. Oh, try one more time. And slide that in. Okay. Put that more in the center, I think, will help. Yeah. There we go. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So fun. So I will take everything out, wash that bag. Wash out the watercolor palette that's really filthy, and wash out that pen that had gotten so dirty. And I think I'll be good to go. I think with this, who knows what I'll make, right? Like, who knows? That's the joy of it, is that having limited supplies will force me to have to think outside, you know, like, how could I do this, or what could I make? And so that's exciting. I'm traveling for work for both of these trips, and but in the evenings, or, you know, pockets during the day, I have some time to draw, and I thought that would be fun, draw or paint. And I'm still doing my 100-day project, so I wanted to make sure that I had something for that. And yeah, I'm excited. Thank you. This is fun. This will be fun. And then I can report back on maybe what I didn't use, because I think that's the real test, right? It's like, we take too much stuff, we overpack. I am certain that this is overpacked, but you know, let's test it. I have one trip, then I come home, and then I have another trip. So in between, I have one day. Maybe I'll be able to unpack this and make it a little more streamlined. So anyway, I hope that you are planning some travel too, and that you are packing your art supplies. And I'd love to see, and what is your go-to? Like, what do you have to take with you when you go on a trip? Put it in the comments. I'd love to know. And yeah, I will keep seeing you. My plan is to film on the go. So it'll be a little different, because I won't be in the studio, you know, all the time in April, but I will be out in the world, and I want to show you that too. So I'm excited, and thanks. And I can't wait. I can't wait to use it.